Alright, so come with me to watch Leve, A Night at the Symphony with the Manila Philharmonic Orchestra. So nanood tayo nung first day, which was May 28, 2024. So ito yung second time niya in Manila, no? So pero bago ang lahat, kailangan muna natin maging businessman duties. So dumaan muna ako sa Restaurant Depot habang maaga pa naman. So, daan kayo sa Daddy G Cafe, guys, pag nasa Imus kayo. Hashtag shameless plug. Okay, so, traveling to PICC for the concert. Medyo maraming tao, no? So, kailangan maaga. So, we were able to come by around 6:30. 5:30 pala, sorry. So, 5:30 pa lang, puno na yung parking. So, sa likod na yung parking. So, upon entry, you will receive this postcard, no, from Carpos. Tapos yan, we lined up for merch. Tapos diretso na natin sa concert. So sobrang enjoy, yung galing niya. And kung ano yung naririnig nyo sa Spotify or wherever, ganon yung boses niya. Sobrang ganda. And ang dami niyang instruments. Of course, ang galing din ng MPO, no? Shout out sa mga colleagues natin dyan. So this one, Let Me Break Your Heart Again, sobrang ganda ng solo. Sobrang nakaka-amaze, no? To see someone play live and sound like a recording. So ayan, pakinggan nyo na lang yung ibang parts. But I'll be posting more on this concert. So medyo nakakabitin lang yung runtime niya. I think it was around 1.5 hour set na walang break, no? Meron lang short interval na I don't know, siguro this is just my second time to watch a Carpos event, pero parang may ganun silang gimmick. I'm not really sure, no? Yan, so I was expecting na ayun lang, yung mga songs ako na gusto sanang marinig but hindi nakanta, like Best Friend and Street by Street, no? So kayo, ano bang favorite Leve song na? Comment down below. So just a few snippets, no? Kasi masyadong mahaba ito kung lalagay mo lahat, diba? But yeah, overall, ang ganda ng performance. Again, congrats sa ating mga colleagues dyan over at Manila Philharmonic Orchestra. Sobrang galing, ganda ng pagkakatugtog nila ng mga arrangements. And as always naman, no? Yan, so congrats again and I'll see you on the next one.